So how can you ignore all of the calls on your Android? So let me get started and show you how you could make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the Android device can definitely work with the phone calls and all of that, but you can see that we have a few options. So if we first of all get inside the phone app and tap on the three dots for more settings, you can see that we can enable the caller ID and the spam protection as long as you have the proper SIM card installed. You should be able to enable that, which means that people which you don't wish to be calling you are going to be silenced and the calls are going to be ignored from those people, right? But it's only for, the spam protection and so on, so that's not going to apply to every single phone call. If you want to do that instead, I'd recommend you to go to the settings app, tap on modes and routines, and make sure that you set up a mode, for example, a work related one or for other occurrence, or it doesn't matter how you call it, but you can in there set up the do not disturb mode and decide that no calls are going to be allowed. That means that during this mode and while it's enabled, nobody can really call you and the calls don't even go through. So that's how you can ignore all of the calls, especially for a set period of time. I know a lot of people who set it up automatically for the sleep focus or, for their work or whatever you need to do and don't want to be disturbed. That is the ideal use case for this feature. So that is something that you can definitely do. I really hope that I was able to show you how you can make that work. Thanks a lot for watching and sticking till the end with me. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.